Hi everybody, welcome back. Long time no see. I am so sorry for the long absence. So much has happened. For those that don't know me, my name is Cassandra. I am a flight attendant with a major US airline, and I sometimes make YouTube videos of my travels. But up until maybe about 6 months ago, kind of just went rogue on you guys. And I'm here to give you an explanation. So, let's see. It had nothing to do with disliking YouTube or social media and all that. It just boiled down to personal life. A lot of you that follow my channel, that have been on my channel for a while, know that I do have a son, a 3-year-old, who's about to be 4 in September. So we were kind of struggling. We were struggling with some behavioral things back in like December, January, February. And I kind of needed to take a step back from pretty much everything in my personal life and focus on him, make sure that he started getting the right care. And ultimately, he was diagnosed with autism, and that was challenging. It was not an unexpected diagnosis, but a challenging one to accept anyways. And I kind of needed to work through that. Just me as a parent, as his mother, I needed to kind of deal with the emotions that came with all of that. But I kept getting messages from like friends and family asking me, you know, where my videos were and why I wasn't posting anymore. And honestly, like I had to take a step back from everything. I had to kind of slow down on working and just focus on him. And yeah, it's been tough. I am kind of now back to flying. If you kind of notice from my background, I am on a little mini vacation, but it's a work trip. So this last month or so, I started traveling again and doing the trips that I genuinely enjoy doing. And even though everything's been going on with my son, I've been making sure that he's getting the care that he needs. This is a long lifetime journey that we're going to be on. And I know it's not going to be easy. The road is not going to be completely linear and perfect and his care is going to go amazing. He's going to have tough days. I'm going to have tough days. But I need to start focusing on the things that make me happy again in order to make sure that he's happy. So obviously one of those things was YouTube, traveling and showing everybody where I'm at. Like, you're probably looking at me like, who is this lady? My hair's longer, I have a tan, I'm basically on vacation. I'm in Palma de Mallorca, by the way, which this was a dream trip that I somehow was able to snag, and I like beyond thrilled to even be here. But I decided this was the perfect place to finally sit down and record this and let you guys know that I am back. Maybe not as consistently as I once was. Maybe once a month. I think I'm gonna do just like a month in my life vlog of what I do, just so I have at least something still going up and I could get back into, you know, the comments and some of my social media and all of that, and just being able to interact with other people again. But I'm about to head out. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be a little bit of a compilation of my last Venice trip and this trip, which by the time this goes up, I'll already be back home. But either way, I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy you tuned in to this channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.